the whole family. Going to feed the cow. Learning how to crochet, as you can see. It's going very well, of course. Oh, it's broke off. Okay, but those. It's a beautiful day. Isn't it, Tiki? Is it a beautiful day? It's a beautiful day. Got this boy who's being a stinker. He stays outside at night. And the stinker. Copious amounts of onions that I planted. More onions. 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 Tiki. Onions. Onions. Oh boy, enjoying the sun. Tiki, 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 tiki. Working so hard. All right, we have our mission. Operation Save This Garden is a go. Is that a good bed? Is that a cozy bed? Got a lot of thistles here for the turkeys. You're sneaky, mister. Oh, and look at that beauty in there. Hello, Miss. This will break. Got a delivery. Naughty. Naughty. Got this very cool berry here. Been told it's not poisonous, so. Delicious. This is the progress. 1 day's worth of work. Accompli. Ready to run? Oh, no, she is not. She will be staying back. Goodbye. Looking for wildflowers. Oh yeah, they're popping off. Very nice. Look at that. Very nice. Lots of yellow popping off. that's in winter time. You're huge. Why are you bullying emus? They've been waiting. I've been told that one of the chicken's eggs successfully hatched. Hello, girlies. You have a baby? Her and her baby get their own little home with so many thistles. And Tiki's keeping good watch, making sure they don't escape.